Yes, hello guys. We are here in Fort Worth, just about to get into our appointment to give an estimate for a commercial retail store that's going to become a salon. We're pretty much just going to do, just as far as I remembered, you want to do some kind of like a setup for the salon. And yeah, we're going to go take a look and work on this estimate. Okay, so what we're going to do over here, we're going to do some new plumbing for sinks over here. After about 4 sinks. We're going to cover this with a wall. We're going to make this outlet into GFCI outlet and make some connections over here for washer and dryer.